Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math with ADHD. First, set up a quiet study area free from distractions. This helps maintain focus. Next, tackle math problems by breaking them into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes learning more accessible. Finally, incorporate visual aids and physical tools to grasp abstract mathematical concepts more easily. To truly learn, engage actively with the material. Don't just watch, try solving problems yourself. Explaining a concept out loud to an imaginary audience or a friend can solidify your understanding. Also, use a timer for focused work, perhaps 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique, often called the Pomodoro method, helps manage attention and prevents burnout. Don't hesitate to seek support. Tutors or teachers can provide personalized guidance and clarify confusing topics. Explore educational apps and online platforms that offer interactive math practice. These tools can make learning more engaging. Remember to integrate fidget tools or short movement breaks into your study routine. This can significantly improve your ability to concentrate. Consistency is key. Dedicate a short period each day to math practice, even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes. Acknowledge and celebrate your small successes along the way. This boosts motivation. Cultivate a growth mindset, understanding that your mathematical abilities can develop with effort. This positive outlook is crucial for long-term learning and overcoming challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.